All right, this is gonna be episode number 2 of Club PUBG Play. It is November 11th, so happy Veterans Day to everyone. 2024. Looks like competition-wise, we have some good players. Looks like I was on the list on the plane, so that's cool. Always good to see the name. And this is a play out, so if I die first, it'll be a short episode. If I die last, then even better. But we'll go right into Pachinki and see what happens. Season ends in 3 days. Still at Ace Dominator. Most likely, I don't know. Probably not gonna get the Conqueror this season. The season is C7S20. So a few players landing here. So I'm gonna try to get myself situated before I even gun to grab first, but no helmets, no police vest. Phone screen doesn't feel too freaking smooth right now. Kind of stiff. There's plenty of disadvantages playing video games on cell phones, but right now this is what we're doing. there you have it. End of fucking episode. Ass Cheeks McGee. I hate fucking losing like that. But there you have it. Now I'm dropped back down to Ace Master. Fucking 79th out of 99. If this was a controller, I probably would have smashed it on the ground. But it's my cell phone, so I can't do that. But terrible way to lose. Pretty sure I had, I don't know how I fucking lost like that, dude, but it's fully armored. Might not be the best armor, but just about to move from the window and I'm dead. So